What's going on, guys? 14 Karat Black back at it again, this time with a tutorial, something easy. So I have been hanging out with a different bunch of guys, and a lot of them wanted to start streaming, and they were asking me how I do it and blah blah blah, yappity yap. So I have decided to make a quick tutorial on to get you started in SteamlabsOBS. It's what I use. Some people use other things, but to me, I have found that StreamlabsOBS is, I'm not gonna say the best, but it's perfect for me. Put it that way. So without further ado, let's go. So first, I have put a link in the description if you want it to download StreamlabsOBS. And this is part 1 of my tutorial series. This part 1 is going to basically teach you how to actually just start it up, how to get it going. My next couple series is how to actually do stuff like, you know, I have a counter here for my YouTube viewers and Twitch viewers. I have my name over here in this, and just how to actually add stuff and do other things. I also have a chat that, as you can see, pops up. Boom. And I use Restream to do that, but I will get into all that in my next video or two. But just to get it started, go ahead and download the link in the description, and then once you get it downloaded and open it up, I want you to go to your settings here. We're going to run through these real quick. Alright, so for your stream, alright, this is the basic thing right here. Like I said, I use Restream because I stream to Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube at the same time. I'm not going to show you how to do that one yet, but I will show you how to do it just on plain YouTube. So right here, it has streaming service, right? Service, you're going to select, let's say you're doing YouTube. You're going to select YouTube right there, okay? Oops. Boom, stream. Alright, I selected Restream because that's what I'm using, but you're going to select YouTube. Now the server, you're going to get something close to you, pretty much, right? Now your stream key here, this is very important. You do not share this with anybody because they can stream under you and do some crazy stuff, and you'll end up going to jail or something like that. But you get your stream key, let's say you're going to YouTube, you get your stream key by actually going to YouTube. You're going to go to your channel here. Go to your creator studio. You're going to scroll down to live streaming. And there it is. This is going to be your server URL and your stream key. Your server URL is already in there once you hit YouTube, but this is going to be your stream key right here. You can copy and paste it with the dots. You can reveal it so you can see what it is, but I'm gonna leave mine covered. Now you take that and you're gonna put it there. Alright, now your output. Alright, so encoder here, your audio track 1, your encoder. Some people say, and it's actually been proven, that the software X264 is better than NVIDIA's encoder. Okay, I like to use NVIDIA's encoder simply because, well, I don't have the best of CPUs, honestly. I have a AMD FX 8320. It's overclocked, everything. It runs games fine, but it can't just do the multitasking when I'm running games and I'm streaming and I'm doing everything all at once. So if you have a lower end CPU, I do recommend using the NVIDIA encoder. Otherwise, if you have some high end, oh my god, you're the best 2000 frames a second computer, go ahead and use the software. Alright, blah blah blah. Okay, so your output resolution, alright, this is this here. Alright, you're gonna want that 1920 by 1080 because that is the size of your screen. Alright, your bit rate, very important here. This is how fast or slow, depending on your computer puts out your signal. Max, like for Twitch and stuff, is like 6,000. Like I said, I don't have the best computers, and I have even worse internet. So what you're going to do here is you're going to actually go to speedtest.net, and I'm going to show you. I don't have the best internet connections. Go ahead and hit go, blah blah blah. See, my ping is a little high, and there it is. I normally get around 25 or so. But it's all depending on your upload speed. Actually, I'm having a good day. I'm at 31. What? So what I normally do is I take whatever megabytes per second my upload speed, divide it in half. So that's 4.3 should be like 2.1 something, right? So that would be like 2,500. I'm actually using 25. That's where I'm at right now, 25. And it pretty much works for me. Keyframe interval, if you have mine is set at 0, which it shouldn't be. I should lift it up some. The lower your bit rate, the higher your keyframe interval is going to be. I'm gonna go ahead and use 4. A lot of these are on defaults. I forgot I set my reset my thing. Here you have I want to go for low latency, high quality. Now what this is going to do is, as you have people chatting with you, right, this depends on how fast it pops up and how fast how well everything works together. All right, let's see, audio. Okay, here we go. This is how people hear and everything. All right, so whatever you're hearing your game through, right, is what you're going to want to select. All right, so see how I got all of these things. So I'm using my gaming headset. That's what I hear everything through, and that's pretty much what's going to be right here. All right, so audio device 2. If you have something else plugged in that's supplying music or whatever and you want to record that, that's where you're going to select that. My microphone, bada bing bada bing, it's all on my headset. So once again I picked my gaming headset. The same with auxiliary devices. If you have other things, there you go. Alright, video. Alright, so your base canvas, this is literally this. Alright, this black box here. Alright, this is whatever you want to, you have your base canvas at, you're always going to put your output resolution to. Alright, so I like to stream in 1080, so there it is. Let's see here, frame pitters. Now, because I don't have the best of internets, right? If you have better internet, you can go ahead and go up to 60. All right, I don't have the best of internet, so I don't want my frames to be skipped. You'll notice down here, drop frames. Oops, drop frames down here. I don't like that. So what I like to do is keep it around 30, and 30 looks all right. Not the smoothest of the smooth, but until I upgrade my computer, I am not going to do that. So we're gonna keep it right around 30 frames per second. Bada bow, bada bing. Hotkeys. All right. So I don't really use hotkeys that much, but I do use them for starting and stopping my streaming, and you can basically use whatever you want. It's like unlimited on what combinations you can go. All right. I don't really. I left all of these at pretty much stock. Pretty much scene collections, blah blah blah. You don't really need to touch that. Appearance, all of this you really don't need to do. Now this I've used it once. It is amazing. Basically what this is, you can download an app on your phone from Streamlabs, and you scan this QR code, right? From there, you can control your StreamlabsOBS from your phone. So I can stop streaming. You can change things right there from your phone. Other than that, once you get all that set up, you're pretty much ready to go to stream. All you have to do, if you set up hotkeys, hit your hotkeys, or boom, go live. It'll put it up there, and you're pretty much good. That does it for this tutorial. But stay tuned. In the next day or so, I will come out with part 2, which is going to go a little bit more in depth on streaming it to other places using Restream. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.